welcome to part 31 of the interior architectural design bathroom tutorial. So let's just kind of center this towel up. You can make as many as you want, just layering it over on top of each other. But I think what I'm going to do is copy it up. Okay. And then move it over slightly. Select both of them. Let's just center it up. And we're going to give it, let's see here. Let's see, it should be an editable poly right now. Vertex mode. Select something kind of in the center. Soft selection. Use soft selection. Decrease the fall off a bit and just drag the entire thing out a bit, just so we don't have any intersections. Okay, and go to the bottom too. Right, the back doesn't matter, you won't be able to see that. And over here, select one of these. And then just drag that down. Let's drag it over too. Poly and mesh smooth. Now we have two towels where there's one. And also what we can do is just go to noise, fractal, increase it a bit on the Y. Save your scene. Okay, this is not good. Just trying to move the tower a bit of noise. Alright, you know, it'll be fine. Just delete the noise. Don't think my computer can handle these mesh smooth things. Let's actually bring the render iterations to 2, but the viewport one's down to 1. Render to 2. Alright. Save this, and let's go to materials. Both gray materials, and then make them black. And you don't have to choose black. You can choose whatever colors you like. I just find it makes things just easier to see. You can find out where the mesh is dense and whatnot. So we have our towels. Let's just give those a quick render. Let's see what they look like. I guess it's a little difficult to tell here, but we have very nice patterns, waves, you can see it in the reflection a bit. So those are pretty much a complete success. Let's see what else we have before we start on the faded toilet of doom. Actually, I think that's about it. That's the last thing we have. Oh, well, we could do the roof, I guess, but no, we'll start on the toilet. So let me get some pictures and go figure out how I'm going to do this horrid thing. Alright, I'm back with a nice selection of toilet photos. So what we have is top down, we have the up seat, we have a front view of the back part, and a top view of the back part. We have a full front on the bottom, and we have two side shots just so you can see what's going on here. And it begins. So, Alt-W, zoom out here, front, select everything, hide selection, Alt-B, files. We're going to start with the, I guess, top-down view first. so maximize that view and go into box. I think is what we're actually going to want to do. Create a box, convert it to an editable poly, deselect all the insides, and let's see, select the inverse, inset it a bit, and then bridge. Okay, it should have bridged, but of course I only selected one. Inset, bridge, there we go. So, how to do this, select everything and just, well, it doesn't even matter. Just bring it to the edges. Okay? And then, select the other things that we have going on, and just bring those to similar edges, I guess is what I want to say, but that's not going to work. So select this, connect, we're just do this one at a time. Bring it out, connect, bring it out. Might be having the first one to ever think of box modeling a toilet. Alright. Connect. We don't want it to have too much resolution because we're going to eventually give it a mesh smooth. But we want it to have enough so where we can clearly define our shapes. And try to move it as linearly as possible, like with the line. Okay. There we go. Next, let's work on the inside a bit. So we're just going to try to move it along the exact same lines. I've already thought of a problem, but I'll deal with it when I get there, because I'm feeling pretty happy just moving these lines along. It's very relaxing. Alright. A few more to go. Last one. Okay. Go into our 4-view mode here, and let's figure out which way is up first. That one. Apparently this is up. But we're going to want to select this, and then select the entire object and just scale it up. Okay. Select the outer edge here, and I hope this is the top. Let's actually just check. No, this is the top. So, select an outer edge, or an inner edge, sorry, loop, chamfer, and then just give that a chamfer. Okay. Next, we're going to want to, select these edges here, loop, and just bring them up. Alright, and not too much, because this is supposed to be the, whoa. Problem, but we'll fix that in the